Hello people, in this video we want to understand what lie is. So fetal lie means in obstetrics it is the how the baby is lying inside the womb, right? It is nothing to do with fibbing or lying. Okay, so basically what does fetal lie say? It is the relationship of the long axis of the fetus to the long axis of the centralized uterus or maternal spine. Okay, so this is what you have to understand. So I would say long axis of the fetus to the maternal spine of the fetus to the spine of the mother, something like this we can remember. Most common lie is longitudinal. Let's understand all that. Okay, just look at this. So in this photo, how is the lie? Both of these they are saying it is longitudinal only. So the long axis of the baby and the mother's spine, long axis or the mother's spine, both are what? Parallel? Yes. So this is longitudinal lie. What about this? This is also longitudinal, is it? Let's go down here and check. What is this one? This became oblique, and this one is transverse lie. This one is like very difficult for it to deliver. How the hell it thinks it can come out, right? Okay. So oblique, so this longitudinal lie, no, this one looks very nice. It can just come out like that, I feel. Right? So this is lie. So how do you define lie now? Lie is, what is lie? Say the definition. It is the relationship. What is this? It is the relationship of the long axis of the fetus to the long axis of the maternal spine. Okay, so we'll go with that. So most common lie is longitudinal. The lie may be transverse or oblique. Okay, and there can be something called as unstable lie. Unstable lie means it keeps changing. Until the labor sets in, you cannot say whether this guy is going to be longitudinal or oblique or transverse. Okay, so so that is what is about lie. Guys, look at this image here. Basically this is longitudinal very clearly, and we can understand maternal spine, baby spine, and even the uterus axis, everything is same only, right? Here maternal spine is here and the baby spine is here, but still they are calling it as longitudinal because they are saying the uterine axis is parallel to the baby's spine, fetal spine. Hence this is also longitudinal only. Okay, so these two are both longitudinal. So you can understand this definition better now. It is the relationship of the long axis of the fetus to the long axis of the centralized uterus or maternal spine. If it is parallel to this, then it will be longitudinal, right? So these two are longitudinal only. Just compare this with the oblique one. See, this one is oblique while this one is longitudinal, because here you can see the centralized uterus. The long axis of the centralized uterus is like this and the baby is lying like this. So this is oblique. So I think they are giving preference to the uterus, not to the maternal spine, because here you can see maternal spine. Okay, but to maternal spine also it is not parallel, right? So just remember guys, uterus is being given more importance. Okay, maternal spine later only it is coming in the definition. What about this one? See, how is the uterine centralized uterus like this, and the baby is lying like this. So this is transverse. Okay, this baby has no intentions of coming out, looks like. That's it guys. There's one more table here. Wait, there's one table here. Yeah, look at this. So lie presentation and presenting part. In longitudinal lie, mostly if this is the baby, okay, longitudinal lie, this is the baby's eyes actually. So longitudinal lie, what will be the presentation? The presentation will be the cephalic presentation. The presenting part will be the vertex usually. Okay, that's what they're saying. In transverse, this is the baby's lying like this. Where is its eyes? Now the baby's eyes are like this. This is the smile of the baby. Now in this transverse, the presentation can be what? Breech or shoulder, right? This is the shoulder and this is the buttock. So in transverse or oblique or unstable lie, it is trying to come out with the presentation will be the shoulder or the breech. That's enough for now guys. So you have understood what lie is. Lie. The fetal is lying in the womb. Okay, bye bye. Just one thing guys, if it is longitudinal like this, okay, this is the baby, this is cephalic presentation. But what if the longitudinal lie is like this, right? Then it can be a breech presentation. So mostly the longitudinal lie will be a cephalic presentation, but it can also be a breech. Okay, that's what they're trying to say. Don't bother much. Bye bye.